Good morning, y'all. Capt.Collier here. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here again trying for these speckled things, speckled trout. As you can see in my attire, it is like 42, 43 degrees out here this morning. Super cold. We just had our first major cold front of the year. It's going to be this temperature for the next couple days. And generally, first cold front, these temperatures are going to drop significantly. Should be in the low 60s, maybe even the high 50s this morning. And I got my buddy Tanner with me this morning. We're going to see if we can get out here and get on some trouts. We might try and catch some live bait, but if we don't see any, we're just going to be throwing some plastic. Got him. Another one. That's a better one. Yes.
Yeah, yours could eat mine.
Oh, you caught one? Woo, she freaking choked it.
She won fish whistle.
Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. We out here searching around for these speckled fish. Tanner got one on the, I guess that's a custom slick lure.
Perp sickle.
Perp sickle. I'm throwing the fish whistle, 6-inch coastal brew with a 1/4 ounce jig head. She absolutely choked it. That's probably a 18 and a half inch fish. Love it.
She got a red belly.
Yep. Sometimes when these trout have red bellies, it kind of indicates they're hanging towards the bottom and kind of rubbing on that mud, trying to stay warm. But what a gorgeous fish.
It's a nice one.
So that is what that lure looks like. And again, this is called the fish whistle. Got that on 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, Shimano Vanford 2500 with a 7-foot extra fast action medium power St. Croix rod. That's a mouthful. We're kind of just targeting the edge of a channel right here. Been seeing some bait on this little flat right here. And they're liking it fast. From what I've noticed so far, giving this lure some pretty good pops. Letting it sink back down. I mean, that's 4 in a row right here in this same spot. Definitely some smaller fish down there. There's gotta be some big ones mixed in.
Yeah, I just missed another small one.
Good fish. Eating 20 inchers. Well, Tanner has found himself a nice trout on the pearl slick lure.
Very pretty fish.
There we go. Smaller guy. Yeah.
Still the fish whistle?
Same bait. Same bait. Pretty fish. That would be definitely a good keeper trout, probably 16 inches. I'd much rather have sheep's head to eat.
Yes. Save the speckled fangs.
We enjoy catching them. All right, let's get back in here. I haven't even kept up with the score. I think I'm winning by 1 or 2.
I know that I've caught 5.
There he is.
Oh shit!
Oh, he didn't feel that big when he hit. That was a 19.
That was an slot fish. 22, 23 inch fish.
What I get.
I got the net for you, bud.
I didn't think he was that. Oh, there's another one. I didn't think he was that big.
Brock Meyer sitting here inviting wahoo fishing and sword fishing.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
At any time.
There we go, baby. On the fish whistle.
You like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
To me, that's like a green pumpkin and a new penny had a baby.
It looks good in this water.
I like it.
Very good. I've got that paired up with a 1/4 ounce death grip jig head. Definitely found a nice little pocket of fish right here. Kind of changing up my retrieve, trying to hone in on what they're liking. Seems like they want it pretty fast, but they are hanging deeper. So I'm letting my lure sink, giving it some quick twitches and letting it fall back down, and there it goes. Monster. Stud.
22, 17,
14.
12.
Come on. Hit it one time. Right there. He got it. Right there. He hit it one time. Good fish. Good, healthy fish. No. Smoked it. Hey! Yep. Might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. She really, really wanted it. Might be able to get that. Woo! Check it out. Good to see them trout feeding this morning. Definitely makes it worth getting up, fighting this cold, and dressing up with all this gear we've got on. But once you get on them, fun stuff. So we are on a super low tide, or going to be mid-morning this morning. About a 0.8 this morning when we got started. It's gonna get down to about a 0. And in my mind, trying to pinpoint locations with a little bit deeper water. One, because I feel more confident about getting on some fish, especially with the drop in water temps. And two, I don't really like going many other places because we got a north wind and a low tide. It just makes that water level so low, gets kind of sketchy getting in and out of certain areas. So that's kind of why we're back here in this bayou. Plenty of bait, and historically we've caught some good fish back here. We do have some live baits, some mullet, some pogies. Might try and catch one more in the grub. Just kind of interchange, trying a live bait, try plastic. Definitely seems like once we find one fish, catch a few more, then it'll slow down. Kind of have to search around, fan cast, then we'll find a few more bite stops and just kind of have to keep repeating that. But we are catching some very quality fish in the mix. This coastal brew, this dart, y'all, has just so much erratic action. Whenever you let it fall, you just give it some quick twitches, that bait just darts, hence the name, the darter. And I do like the bigger profile. Like right now I'm throwing the 6-inch profile. That doesn't mean that a smaller fish won't hit it, because as you've seen, we've caught some 12 to 14 inchers as well. But I feel like your likelihood of getting a bigger fish on a bigger bait is better for you. How rude of them to be making all this noise while we're trying to catch speckled trout. We're not trying, we are. Oh, that's a big one. Let me double up. Oh yeah, baby. Another good one. Give her the old yeet. Oh. Give me some on that. Excellent execution. Yeah. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Not real long, but thick.
Speckled trout. La 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 la.
Oh yeah. You see that? Did you see that? Yeah, baby. Looks like a decent fish. You want? Ain't that good. Yeah, give me that net. Oh, you got one too? Good fish right here, y'all. Tanner's gonna get me the net eventually. She got some shoulders on her. Boom! Yeah, hook just popped out right there. Boom! So there we go, y'all. We are starting to get on some trouts here. Again, still throwing the same lure. It's a new lure I've been throwing this past year. 6-inch coastal brood dart. It's definitely working. Tanner's throwing the same thing. Beautiful looking trout, probably 20 and a half. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yep, right at 20 and a half. We're gonna let her go. She gone. I do apologize for the noise. We're definitely fishing in an industrial zone here and can't really help the noise. Fish don't seem to mind at all. I do know it is almost time to take this jacket off. Come on, shrimp boat, produce me a trout up under your keel. There you go. Yeah, the shrimp boat produced. Huh? Another draw? It's a better trout. Yes. Very nice. Yee!
I had a really nice one.
Right there. Feels like a better one. Not really. Feisty though. Just look how wide that trout is.
Thick.
Healthy fish.
About to have a no eyeball slick.
Oh no. Dude. That feels like a better one. Yeah. Right in the middle.
Man, that's pretty.
That's pretty, ain't it? Yeah. Some shoulders. You gonna do good for me, girl? You gonna yeet in the boat for me? Hey! Yeah. Yo, it is nice to finally get on a good trout bite.
It's fun.
Haven't really been on one since it's gotten cold on us. There we go. Another probably 18 and a half, 19-inch trout. Like I said earlier, we've been just kind of moving around, get on a bite, and they'll quit eating, and we'll just have to move around until we find either another school of fish or the same school of fish that's just moving around. As you can see, we've kind of moved into an area with some shrimp boats, and they've been kind of hanging around the underside of these boats. Nope, that's 20-incher, baby.
20-incher?
20-incher. She go back, yes. Good one? All right. Black drum. Oh, yeah. Same size. Be careful with the rod tip, yes? Back to back. Look how beautiful that fish is, man. She's got some spots on her.
We like you.
They're fun when they cooperate. You make me angry when you don't eat. Y'all just missed probably one of the funniest things y'all would have seen on this channel in a while. I just fell in the water and it is quite cold. We started seeing some black drum swimming on top of the water, and I decided I would try and catch one. I was trying to hurry up and I was walking on this Gona right here. Slipped and fell. My bib's soaking wet. Tanner just started laughing at me. I don't know why. I mean, how long was I in the water? Good
3 seconds.
3 seconds. I was fully submerged for about 3 seconds. So yeah, it's 66 degree water temperatures, and it's quite chilly. So we're gonna go ahead and call this video. Had an excellent day out here catching a pretty good amount of nice trout. Tanner caught some good ones. Probably had 7 or 8 over 20 inches. Can't complain. And top it off, just jump in the water and cool off a little bit more. But everything's good. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. We will see y'all back out in the next one. If y'all enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. See y'all in the next one.